Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to have a quick tutorial on how we can just change the chat theme on Telegram. So it's pretty quick and easy. Let's get started. So first of all, just open up your Telegram, and after that click on the three arrow which is present on the left side top, and then here go to the settings and then scroll down all the way and click on chat settings. And here you can see that you can just change chat background. Click on that and just choose according to your need whatever you want to be. Select your background, like I just want to select this as my background. You can also click here like a blurred, like the image will be little blurred bird, and also motion like this. So after that you have to just click on set background, and that's all. Your background has been changed for your Telegram. Like I'm just going to show you over this. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.